Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica Love Simple Things. What is on the menu today, guys? I'm gonna make a chicken salad. So I have lettuce, tomato and sweet pepper in the salad, and I sprinkle some nuts on it. So right here, guys, I'm washing the chicken with some vinegar. So this is my first wash. Usually I wash my meat at least twice. I'm done wash, so now I'm adding some more vinegar in there. That's some white vinegar, and then I'm gonna wash it one more time. Yes guys, I have to wash the chicken very well. I clean the chicken already. I take off all the fat off of it. So now I'm washing it. Now I'm finished. I'm seasoning. I got some ginger, some blend ginger that I make myself. I blend up the ginger with some oil, and there's some scallion and sweet pepper that I blend up and keep in my fridge. So when I'm seasoning up meat, I use it, guys. So right there, guys, I'm putting some powder seasoned salt. That's what, and that's the brand. That one have salt in it, and this one is a paprika. Dash of paprika. And here is salt-free seasoning salt, guys. So that's a dash of seasoned salt, guys, because it's not a lot of chicken, guys, so you don't need a lot of powder season. And I'm put some truffle glaze. It's a little bit sweet, so yes, guys. If you are still watching, guys, please comment, subscribe and share, and thank you for your support. For all newcomers, welcome, and thank you so much for subscribing. So here, guys, I'm seasoning the meat. I'm rubbing all the seasoning, the powder season and the fresh seasoning into the chicken. So this is some chicken thigh, guys. So right here, and there you go, guys. So now I'm hotting up my skillet with some, I'm putting in some coconut oil. So I'm using coconut oil, guys. So I'm just glazing the bottom of the pan with the coconut oil, and then I'm gonna put the chicken in there, guys. So there you go, guys. There's the chicken all seasoned, and now the pot is very hot, so I'm gonna put the chicken in there. Yes, guys, so you just start because it's chicken thigh, so that's how I do it today, because I'm gonna cut it up to put it in the chicken. Yes, guys, so there you go, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please comment, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for subscribing. To all my subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing. And for my newcomers, thank you also. So there you go, guys. Chicken start to brown on one side, so I keep turning it. So guys, I'm not putting no water on the chicken. I'm just gonna keep turning it until it cooks. You're gonna sweat a little bit of water, guys, but that's how chicken is these days. They sweat water. So I'm just gonna keep turning right here. I'm setting it in the pot so it gets to cook or to brown. Right here, guys, the chicken is brown, so I took it out and I cut it up, and then I put it back in the frying pan, guys. So I'm just gonna keep turning it and turning it until it fully cooks. Yes, guys. So salad today, guys, for dinner. No carb, just chicken and salad and some nuts. I'm gonna sprinkle some nuts over the salad. We're in the beginning of the video, guys, you see the salad already in my bowl, and then you see the chicken and some nuts that is sprinkled on top. So here you go, guys. I'm turning the chicken again. I'm just keep stirring it and let it get brown and cook until it cooks. So guys, even though you do not have any carb on this, guys, still fill your stomach up. And after you eat this and drink some water there, guys, there is the salad that I make with the lettuce, sweet pepper and carrots and tomato. So here is the chicken, guys, and here is the chicken I put all over the chicken. Oh, I put the chicken all over the salad, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, subscribe, and share, and have a blessed day. Walk well until next time. Bye.